G'day there, it's Bart here from Bodjabart again. We're just going to try and mount this floor so we can put these pedals in. I've cut it all, so we're just going to weld it in place. I'm pretty sure that's where it's going to sit. Pedals are going to sit right where they are there. And so if we weld this in, weld those down and go from there. I think the pedals actually sit about there, but I think they might be a wee bit long. I might have to shorten them. If that's the case, then I could move this further forward. Actually, which would be better. But at the moment, if I do that, then that'll be a muck up then. I need this back as far as I can because I've got to mount the hydraulic pump for the pedals. Don't know. So that's going to sit there. This will have to stay. I can always cut that out and push it forward, can't I? Alright, that's what we're going to do. Rightio, we'll get this thing mounted in. It's a bit hot around here now. The other day it was cold. That sounded pretty good. Yep, and we've got a good tack on there. Right, that should be that. Oh yeah, that's that one. Get there. Right, now what we have to do is weld these on. So we'll grind these off, this blue off, so we can get good weld in there. I'll do that over there. So we'll turn this off. The lead from this. Yep. And we shall do that to go over the other side there. Once I get the lead free from this one. Here we go. Yep. And we better make sure. Right, I'll go and grind those. I'll switch you off for a minute. Okay, we're back. We've done that grinding of that. We've ground the scaly stuff up here as well. And this is accelerator on, so that can go in there first. So I need to put a glove on so I can hold that down. We've got a good earth here, we've got a good earth. Yeah. Right, helmet. Whew, that sun's hot around here. Yet the other day it was cold. Can't win, eh? Right. Not 100% sure if they're going to work like this, whether we have to shorten them a bit more. We'll see. So at the moment they're just tapped in. This one's a little bit further back. That's all right. Okay, so that's that done. I might try and get that screw out of there as well now, eh? While I'm here. Let's see if these will get that screw out of there. Brilliant. And there we go. Look at that. Well, that wasn't very hard at all. Fantastic. Keep that, could be a good grub screw. Right, we've finished with that for now. I've got that on, I was going to have a look at trying to do this platey thing. That's that piece of aluminium which I had in here, I think. which is this here, which we've got to bore this out to 25mm. So we might go and do that, eh? We'll go and do that, bore this out to 25mm so that we can pop it on the top of that. I'll use that to drill the holes in the right place for the top. That's not too bad, eh? No. Okay, so we'll leave that and we'll go and plonk this in the lathe and go and do that. Hopefully it'll work out. Okie dokie, here we are back at the lathe. So I've got a drill bit right here, which turns out to be 25mm. So that's the size we need for there. So that will work out really good. Let's see how we go. Ooh, hot, hot. Ooh, hot. How do we do for size? Hey, how'd we do? It should measure about 25. I'll be happy if it's look at 25.4. So that'll be good. That will be absolutely perfect. We'll let him cool down. Then all we have to do is just run around the edges. Take the burr off that and drill some holes in it. So that'd be cool. Right, and all of that, look at the mess we make just for doing one little job. It's a job that we haven't been doing. Now we've also got to make a brake caliper holder as well. We take that out of there, we don't need him in there anymore. Brilliant, got a rag up here. Yep, there's a rag. That worked out dandy. So we'll have to run those front faces after we've deburred them of that aluminium block. We'll have to run some emery paper, fine emery paper or sandpaper, so we can smooth it all out and sort of polish it up. So it'll be a nice seal on the gasket that we've got to make as well. Yep, I'm back. I had to duck away for a bit. So what, I'll just, I'll fix this part, the petrol tank, so we'll quickly do that and then I've got to pack up. That looks pretty good. So that's the gas tank mounted, nice and secure. That's it done. Right, so that was that boo-boo fixed. Right, we'll leave it at that and we'll catch you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe.